Hey friends, Jaime Lopez here. Glad you're back. Today we are going to make your HR policies agent noticeably smarter by adding just the right amount of metadata without creating extra work for the team. Here's exactly what you'll get in the next few minutes. I'm going to show you a realistic before and after using a real document library full of policies. Old ones, drafts, new 2026 versions, this kind of messy mix most companies actually have. You'll see why Copilot sometimes mixes old and new information and exactly how simple metadata columns plus the AI in SharePoint fix it. So the agent stops guessing and starts giving precise, trustworthy answers. This is a relatively bigger but still quiet step from the previous video, and is especially helpful for the people who actually own and edit the documents. By the end of this video, you will know how to do this yourself on one small library and see a clear improvement in the quality of your agent's answers. Let me show you what it looks like right now without good metadata. I ask the agent, hey, what's our current vacation policy? It gives some information that we're not really sure if it is the latest from the HR department. We see the document it's referring to is the new one, but we don't know if it is the official one. Not ideal, right? Now, here's something important. In the previous video, we started with just a couple of files. For today's demo, I've expanded the source to a real document library with many policies, old ones, drafts, superseded versions, etc. This is a relatively bigger change for the agent, but it's actually much more helpful for the editors and content owners because now the agent works with the full set of documents they manage every day. This is the kind of real-world situation most of us will face. So, how do we fix this? We adjust the right metadata. The first idea is to add manual columns. I go to the library and create these key columns. Document of choice type with policy, guide, FAQ values, and a status of choice of type choice with draft, archive, and version. These are the foundations Copilot really benefits from. The following step is to let AI in SharePoint do the real work. Now I click on the Copilot button, select Create Autofill Columns, and ask for adding new columns of this type. Watch what the AI does automatically. It suggests and fills new columns like effective date, policy type, and required documentation. I'm going to maintain only the first two ones, considering the required documentation not needed in this case. For any new documents uploaded from now on, the AI will help apply this metadata automatically. Of course, I still do a quick review on the first two columns I created, document and status, and do some changes to the view. Let's ask the same question again to the same agent. Hey, what's our current vacation policy? Now it returns the exact 2026 policy, shows the review date, confirms it's current, and gives the right next steps. Huge difference. This is the smart way to do metadata. You handle the basics manually on a small site, then let the AI take over the repetitive work. You don't need perfect metadata everywhere, just enough on the content that matters most. This is how we quietly prepare the intranet so that when the AI natives join in a few years, it already feels natural and fast, because it's not an employee, it's a customer on your Wardy shop. If you try this step this week on one small library, I'd love to hear from you in the comments. How much time did the AI save you? Did you notice a big improvement in the quality of the answers? Hit like if this was useful and subscribe for the next step where we'll work with the word agent. Thanks for watching. I'm Jaime Lopez. Small steps, big difference. See you next time.